Hey guys, John from WebPros. Just let you know that I'm preparing a course for all you digital marketer out there, all the beginners, and it's going to be a full package. You're going to learn everything from scratch. You're going to learn, how to find your audience, how to do your market research, okay, basically, and then you're going to get involved into the SEO stuff. You're going to learn how to create your funnel. You're going to learn how to create your lead magnets. I'm going to show you all kinds of different platforms. You're going to use everything free for these platforms. And you're going to be getting, on top of all the training, you're going to be getting a business in a box. So you're going to be getting 3 sales funnels that I'll be preparing for you guys. And all these funnels are going to be uploaded into a free platform. And so basically it's a business in a box. And I'm the one teaching, so I'm not going to send you to any affiliate links, any $7 courses. I'm not going to tell you you're going to be making like 5 and 10 and 15K a day, like most people are telling you. And basically, they just want to take you and push the link to you. So that's how they teach you digital marketing. They just send you to somebody else's course, and then people will try to upsell you to a $2,500, $5,000, $10,000 coaching program. That's not helping you. All you beginners that are following these fake gurus, and they make you buy these products, the $7 product. I would like to hear back from you, comments, and see what do you think of these courses, and is it helping you? I mean, when these fake gurus are just giving you links and telling you to just go and click on the link and just follow the course that I took, because 5 months ago I was broke like you. I didn't know anything about digital marketing and affiliate marketing, and all of a sudden I found this course. I studied it, I mastered it. Now I'm making 5 and 10K a day or a week. So I would like to hear your feedback and see if it's really true whether they're promoting, and what is your feedback? I mean, you're spending money, are you learning anything? So basically that is why I decided to create an ethical course, okay, to teach you from scratch what's going on the web and how to market. And no, I'm not going to tell you that you're going to make like 5 and 10K a day, okay? And I'm not going to tell you that you only need to work an hour a day, okay? Because you need to put the time and effort. Okay, to learn digital marketing and affiliate marketing, you need to spend at least 40 to 60 to 80 hours a week, okay? Working at it. It's a business, something that you need to build. That takes time, okay? So what I propose to you guys is to be your mentor, okay, to teach you digital marketing the proper way, and at the same time to give you a business in a box. So once you go through the course, you'll be able to start right away to send traffic. You're gonna learn how to send traffic as well. And basically that course should be out within a few weeks, and we'll take it from there. So I want to hear your comments, all right, about what you've been doing so far online, and what do you think of all these fake gurus that are sending you to these different links? If they make that much money, why don't they teach you themselves how to make that much money instead of just sending you to a link? Anyways, guys, take care. That's it for now.